Hi friends, welcome back to the channel. If you're new here, my name is Anne-Marie from Supreme Guru Tech, and on this channel we help break down tech for you guys to make it easier for you to use. Today we're going to look at how to get the most out of Google Docs using simple voice commands on the Mac. Using these simple hacks has allowed me to get my stuff done a lot quicker, and that's my goal for this video for you. I think anyone can use this tool and be more productive. So in this video, we're going to look at the voice commands on the Mac with using Google Docs. Then we're going to compare the difference on typing on a keyboard versus using your voice to type. Towards the end of the video, I'm going to show you the difference on using a microphone with your Mac, using the voice commands, and then just using the onboard mic. And the last thing that we're going to do is put ourselves to the test. We're going to test ourselves out to see if the keyboard is going to be faster at typing or with using your voice. Now, I'm not the fastest typer in the world. I get roughly around 60 to 70 words per minute. If you're interested, Wikipedia quote that to be a professional typist, you have to be averaging around 50 to 80 words per minute. You can test out your typing speeds on different websites. Here's one I've found which is very user friendly, and you can use it with your friends to run competitions and see who is the quickest at typing. My overall goal for using the voice commands on Mac is basically to get more work done in less time, and that's what I think everyone is searching for. And if there's tools out there that you can use to do that, then why not use them? Could you imagine if you could double up your words per minute, how much more work you would get done in less time? Think of how much more productive you could be just sitting at your computer, which we seem to be doing quite a lot of recently. The more I use this tool, the more I was using it for different things. So I was using it from a work perspective, but I also started using it for writing out my YouTube script. This has made a huge difference in my life, and hopefully by the end of this video it will do the same for you. Let's jump into the first set of commands that we're going to look at. So before we go into the commands, I'm going to show you how to get this floating icon to come up on your Mac. The first thing that you need to do is go to your system preferences, and then what we need to do is go into where it says accessibility. And then we want to scroll down to where it says voice control, and you want to make sure that this is enabled. So make sure this is enabled. Obviously select your preferred language. You can add a different language here, and then that's everything that we need to select there. A blank document in front of me, and we're just going to test out some basic commands. Now what you can do if you don't really know the commands, you can say to the voice control, show commands, go to sleep. So whenever you tell it to go to sleep, it doesn't actually start picking up your voice to turn it into text. So what we're going to do is we're going to run through some basic commands, and we'll see how well the voice control recognizes what I'm saying. Wake up. Dear Sir / Madam, new line. My name is Anne-Marie, full stop. I live in Northern Ireland, full stop, new paragraph. This is why you're hearing such a strange accent, full stop. Some people don't mind the accent, exclamation mark. Other people find it a bit strange, exclamation mark. Unfortunately, I cannot do anything with the way that my voice sounds, my accent sounds, full stop. Question mark, exclamation mark, comma, underscore, hyphen, plus symbol, plus sign, equals, equal sign, open brackets, close brackets. So obviously I'm not the most advanced when it comes to the voice control. I don't know all of the commands. I'm still learning them myself, but I'm getting there slowly but surely. And the more that you use this, the better you will get at it. So that's just an example of some of the commands. If we run through some of the basic commands here, so you can put in an emoji, so smiley face emoji, sad face emoji, press space key, press return key, undo that. So you get the gist of the commands. So what we're going to do now is test out the microphones. We're going to test out first of all a microphone that you plug into your Mac. So it could be just a normal set of headphones or a lapel mic, whatever you have available to you. And we're going to see if there's much difference between the onboard mic or plugging in a mic to it. So here we go. Hey guys, what's up? It's Amory, full stop. I'm testing out the microphone plugged into the MacBook, full stop. And I'm trying to see how well it is picking up my voice, full stop. It seems to do a pretty good job, new line. And so far it hasn't created any errors, full stop. The key is to speak slowly enough that the voice recognition can understand what you're saying, full stop. And that's just a quick test on the plugging in of a microphone, full stop. Okay, so now what we're going to do, obviously the audio might sound a bit different here because I haven't got a mic plugged in, but we're just going to try the onboard microphone that's built into the Mac. Hey guys, what's up? It's Amory, full stop. I'm trying the onboard microphone on the MacBook, full stop. And I'm trying to see if there is much difference between the two, full stop. Again, it seems to do a pretty good job. I think the key is to speak slowly and quite loudly, depending on how far that you are away from your MacBook, full stop. So you can see here it says the word lightly instead of loudly, but that just might be the way that I am pronouncing it. There's not much difference between the two, so you could get away with just using the onboard mic for most of the voice control. So now what we're going to do, we're going to test out what's going to be quicker, whether we are typing on a keyboard Okay, so that was the test for just using a keyboard. Now what we're going to do is wake up the voice control and see how we get on there. Hey guys, what's up, question mark? It's Amory, full stop. I am from Northern Ireland and I'm testing out how quick we can type on a keyboard versus typing with your voice, full stop. I don't know what else to say apart from I seem to be missing quite a lot of keys on this test, full stop. And it doesn't seem to be showing up in real time for some strange reason, full stop. So I'm just going to continue talking to see if I can type a bit more with the voice versus the keyboard, full stop. And I think I know already who is going to be the winner, full stop. So we'll just continue to talk, and I'm running out of things to say. I live in a place called Northern Ireland and I have a strange accent, full stop, but that's just me. And okay guys, so you can see how much more you can write within 1 minute. You can double up your time using your voice. Just think of the possibilities of using your voice to type out documents. Yes, you might need to do some post editing, but that's not a big deal. It doesn't take too long. The voice control on the Mac is 10 times better than the voice control that you have built into Google Docs. So that is the test done. I think it goes without saying this is something that we should all be trying out and seeing if we can double up our words per minute.